Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick unboxing video. For today, we just got another package. So as you may have guessed, kung anong laman ng package, this is a ring light that we got from Lazada. This time, this is from Lazada. It's not from Shopee. So shout out to the sponsor of our ring light. She refuses for her name to be mentioned, so let's just keep it a secret. But thank you very much for sponsoring a ring light. Ayan. Maraming salamat. So just to give you an idea, this is the best quality so far based on the review that I've seen online and on the seller. Ito yung pinakamaganda ang review, pinakamaganda ang quality. So I have compared it. So let's see kung okay talaga siya in person. And by the way, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel na to, please hit the subscribe button down below, yung kulay pulang button dyan. Pindutin mo lang yan together with the bell icon para notified ka tuwing may lalabas tayo ng video. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below kung meron kayong mga suggestion na gusto nyong makita sa channel na to. So without further ado, we have Trevor here to help us unbox. Do the honors of unboxing this item. So yun, ingatan mo yung bubble wrap since magagamit pa natin yung libangan. So, let me help you. Tulungan na kitang ang galing. Eto na. So this is it guys. I'm very excited dito sa item na to. Matagal ko na talagang gustong bumili na ito eh. Medyo nangihinayang lang ako sa... Pero medyo mahal din siya. This one, if I'm not mistaken, this cost around 500 pesos plus shipping. So, if mahanap ko yung pinagbilhan nito na shop sa Lazada, I'll put a link down below. Kung interested kayong bumili, yun, dito na kayo sa store na to bumili kasi. So let's set that aside. I believe this is the stand and this is the light itself. So let's save the best for last. So unahin natin yung stand. So yun. Ito na. Alam ko ano to eh, parang tripod. So yun, wala nang laman. Set that aside. So yun. Unang-una mukhang maganda yung quality niya. Matte black. Yun nga lang, wala siyang kasamang instructions manual. So, hindi natin alam kung paano ito gamitin. Oh, okay. So, mukhang easy lang naman. So, itayo muna natin siya. This one is the screw to loosen. Oh, sumobra sa luwag, natanggal siya. Okay. There. So, kung gusto mo ng stable, so ayan. Ganyan. So, ibalik muna natin tong screw cap. Okay, so yun, mahigpit na siya. And, yun, meron siyang rubber sa ibaba. So, which is very good para hindi magasgas yung tiles, syempre, or yung pagpapatungan. Then, let's see if gaano siya kataas. Uy, medyo mataas siya in fairness ha. So, judging on the size, tatayo ako ha. Okay, sobrang taas niya. pag tinodo mo siya, so parang 7 feet. So, let's see kung gaano siya kataas. So, ayun, sinuot ko siya ng metro. Full extended length niya is 7 feet. That is without the ring light itself. So, sobrang taas niya. Siyempre, baba lang natin siya. It's just, maganda lang malaman na ganun pala, hanggang ganun pala kataas ang abot niya. Pero, hindi naman natin siya gagamitin ng ganun kataas. So, more likely, ideal height is mga ganito lang kataas. For me, if you're gonna use it sa mga vlog, hindi naman kailangan sobrang taas. So, okay yung quality. Maganda, matte black yung kulay niya. Then, maganda, matibay siya. So, that's a good start. But syempre, this is what really matters. Kasi ito, stand lang yung kumbaga eh. So, tingnan natin yung loob. Okay. Ayan, buksan ko na. So, meron siyang included na cellphone holder. So, ayan. Okay. And ito. So, hindi ko pa alam kung para saan itong mga to. Pero, this is it. This is the ring light itself. And this one is 26 centimeters, if I'm not mistaken. Nakasulat ba siya dito? Wala, so sukatin na lang natin siya. Yun, so this is 26 centimeters or 10 inches and 1/4. So yun, ganun siya kalaki yung circumference niya. So tabi na natin yung box. And try natin ikabit or try muna nating buksan. Wala siyang kasamang power brick, no? Pero USB. So let's try. Try natin isaksak. Okay, so try natin siyang i-on. Oop. Okay, kita nyo, hindi mo na kami makita. Nakakabulag yung liwanag. Off, on. So try natin. Meron din siyang kulay parang yellowish yung kulay niya. Then bright white. Then yun, para siyang 3 stages. So far ito yung pinakamaganda, which is bright white. So ayan, makita natin babago ang kulay niya. Yung isa medyo reddish na yellow. Yung isa light yellow din. Yung isa super white. And pati yung brightness niya na i-adjust din. So yan. Hindi ko masabi yung difference. Try natin babaan. Okay, so yun. Parang nagdi-dim yung... Ayan, okay. So ito. Parang ito na yung pinaka-lowest settings niya. Then, let's try moving up unti-unti. So, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yun, so 10. So, parang yun na yung brightest niya. Yun na yung pinakamalinaw. So, it's 10 level of brightness. So, yan, halos di mo na kami makita sa sobrang puti. Pero syempre, depende naman sa yan. So, kalikutin mo na lang kung ano yung brightness na gusto mo. So far, so good. Gumagana siya, which is nice. Doon ako medyo skeptical eh. Syempre, pag mga galing sa online, minsan di mo alam kung buo ba siya or sira. So you wanna make sure na buo siya. So I think this one is para dito. Okay, gets ko na. So try natin siya ikabit. So anong masasabi mo sa ring light? Maganda ba? So ito, ikot mo lang siya dito sa top. Alisin mo lang yung parang cap. Ito, yung maliit. Then, kakabit mo dito sa taas yung ring light. So, yun. Nice. So, nakabit na natin yung ring light. And next is itong cellphone holder, which is adjustable siya. Ayan. And so far, mukhang good quality naman siya. So, bago natin siya yan, straight muna natin. Okay. Then, the purpose of this is para dito mo ilalagay yung cellphone mo. Okay, so ayan. Then, ba natin ng konti. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Then, lalagay mo lang dito yung yung cellphone. So, it should look something like this. Tapos try natin siyang buksan. So it's actually maganda to kung meron kang power bank. Para sa power bank mo na lang to isasaksak. Imbis na sa ano pa, wall outlet. So yun, again, testing natin. Ayan. Medyo babaan natin yung brightness kasi sobrang liwanag. Okay, so for me, maganda siya. Sobrang useful na ito. So sa mga future vlogs na gagawin natin, may magagamit na tayong ring light. So expect better quality. Pasensya na kayo ngayon kung ano-ano lang ginagamit namin, normal lighting. Papakita rin namin sa inyo clip dito sa video na to kung ano yung effect niya without the ring light and with the ring light. Alright, so as promised, this is the video reference without the ring light. Then once you turn it on, see the difference. This is, right now we're using light yellow. Then this is dark yellow. So mukha kaming may hepa. Ayan. Then this is bright white. So right now we are at full brightness. So let's try to reduce the brightness. Ayan. So I think ito medyo okay na. Try nating patayin ulit. So yan, kita nyo. Ganyan ang itsura namin kapag wala yung ring. And then once you turn it on, ito na siya. Ayan. Ayan, sakto na yung ganyang brightness for me. So okay siya, ang ganda. Kitang-kita mo yung difference. I'll try to post some if we can take some pictures gamit yung ring light. Then papakita namin sa inyo. And that's it for now. Medyo napahaba yung video natin. I wasn't expecting this video to take this long, but thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video,
please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Iyon, kuha mo. And again, subscribe ka na sa channel na to and leave some comments down below. I would appreciate it. If you wanna see anything, like if you want us to unbox something, give us some idea on what you guys really wanted to see. Since para sa inyo talaga to. So thank you very much and we'll see you next time.